Look, you guys, these are all new. These are definitely name brand. Looking very luxury. Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you guys know how much these cost? What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdie, Gator. Yes, you guys, we are heading into Dolly, the Dollar Tree location that I bring you guys to quite a bit. Just coming in the sideways. My kids wanted me to park over there. Let's see what's new this week. One thing I can't forget is a few drinks. Told my kids I'd grab them a drink here. They really like Dr. Pepper, and they usually like to have that when we get fast food and stuff. Ooh, these are still here. The Crisp Clean, soft soaps. I'm looking for new stuff. I am seeing new items already. What's this? The Studio Just Peachy Peach Hand Cream. The brand is Wild and Wolf. Just Peachy is new. We also have Peony. So it's a floral. These are definitely name brand. And then we also have High Five Pear Hand Cream. This might be a good one to put in the thumbnail. High Five. So these are brand new. Ooh, it looks like people are interested in the peach one the most so far. Yay, we're already finding new items. Anything else new up top? Okay, we have dark brown and blue black hair dye. Look, you guys, these are all new. All new. I'm pretty sure this is K-Beauty. Yes, all brand new K-Beauty. I can't believe these are all here. We have orange, we have blueberry, we have cranberry, we have grape, we have fig, we have carrot. We have even more over here. We have revitalizing tomato, firming superfood salad. We have balancing. Wow. And then we saw these last week. We also have refreshing. These are all sheet masks. Superfood salad for skin. This one's green tea. You guys, look what's here. Look what's here. The Simply Spa charcoal infused body scrubber sponges are here. We also have the charcoal infused gloves. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. We have even more hair dye for men over here in jet black. It says perfect gray coverage for men. Look, you guys, this is the perfect conditioning and maximum shine, perfect gray coverage, black, but it's a bonus pack. It comes with a free hair comb for like mustache and beard. Let's see what else we might have that's new. These popped up last week. Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you guys know how much these cost? Oh my gosh, I cannot believe these are here, you guys. Raw sugar, simply hand wash. You guys, green tea and cucumber and aloe vera, these cost so much at Walgreens. Now this one smells really good. I actually have a few of these products at home. This is the raw coconut and mango hand wash. This is name brand. This is a great company. Look at this, you guys, free of sulfates, parabens, and it's vegan. Wow, I am super, super impressed that these are here. I think those are like $7 each or $6 each at Walgreens and Target. That is definitely an amazing deal. Definitely an amazing deal. Wow. I'm just finding so many good items already. So many good items. Let's go over here to makeup. And then these are here as well. These are still here. The cool turtles to put under your face masks if you're still wearing face masks. Or maybe you're just occasionally wearing them to dentist and doctor appointments. All of the dentist and doctor offices in our area, I'm here just down the street from Mayo Clinic. We have to wear our masks to every appointment we go to. So even if you're just occasionally wearing masks still, that might be a nice thing to try. Emery boards, okay, looking very luxury, looking super luxurious. A little cute 6-pack of emery boards. Super fancy. And then what is this? Yes, Studio Meant to Be lip balm. This one's been opened up, but it looks like a nice, cute, expensive item. Same with this. Set of 6. Okay, Dollar Tree. Let's see if I can find any more of those. Okay, the tweezers are here. I shared the Peeps with you guys a week or so ago. We have the new little fingernail files in the pack. I was hoping to find a display of these. The packaging looks super cute inside. You guys, I just found this cute nail polish duo. It says Mixed Emotion Club Nail Lacquer Duo, Hot Date and Stay In. Got to get on my tiptoes. I don't think we have any other colors. We just have these varieties right here. Blue and red. Super cute. Nice. I mean, we have found a lot of new items for the week already and a lot of really cute name brand items already. I hope I find my favorite stalker in the whole world. A lot of times she stalks around the time when I'm here, so if that's the case, we might get lucky and see even more new items. But you guys definitely come back to the very next video, because I'm going to be sharing everything new that I see, and I've already found a lot of new items. That's why it's super exciting to come out to Dollar Tree at least once a week, because you never know what you're going to find, like those raw sugar hand washes. Those cost so much more everywhere else. But I had a great time bringing you guys along. If you had fun too, hit the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't. All right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.